Hi everyone, I'm Gerardo Sanchez Mejia from Mexico, and this is my final project for the Python CS50 course. I made a program that helps you manage the data from a group of students, and we have a menu that allows us to do different things like create a group, read one, display it, etc. And we can first select one just to create a new group, and now we have to indicate the number of students and the number of weeks that they've been evaluated. Now let's just add the random names. Let's say Harry Potter characters. And now run. And now we can check that everything has been properly done by displaying the group. And we can see that there's our group already registered. Now maybe we can edit the group. Let's say I want to change one of the grades from Harry. So I select the first student of the group and I again register him. And now he has a 3 instead of a 2 at the end of the course. And now we can also, let's say, add also Hermione to the group. Let's select yes and add Hermione. And just put 5s for her. Now we can again display the group to check everything is fine. And there is Hermione. Maybe now we can save the group because we want to open a new one. So we just register the name of the group. Let's say group B. And now we can check that it has been properly registered in a CSV file. And here is the data. And maybe now we just move to the function 2 to read a new group. And let's select yes and enter the name of the group. Let's say group A. Now we can display the group just to check that it has been properly read. And there it is. Now it's a group with Malfoy, Cho, and Cedric. And maybe we want to edit the group again just to remove Cedric because he's not from the same year in Hogwarts. So let's say we remove the student 3 and we can display it again. And now we have just 2 students in our group. And we can finally just exit the program by selecting 6. And this is all. This has been my Python project, and thanks for watching.